Hey there! So, we have a problem where we need to convert a table called smart meter into a specific format shown in Table 2. The challenge is that using multiple unpivot operations resulted in 4 entries for each read attempt, which is not what we want, and grouping didn't work as expected. Tricky situation, right? Now, let's delve into the solution provided. The key here is to leverage cross-apply as a workaround for a multi-unpivot scenario. By structuring the query to use the values function within cross-apply, we can effectively transpose the data and generate the desired output. The code snippet filters the data accordingly and sorts it by maternum in read attempt. It's a neat trick to sidestep the challenges faced earlier and achieve the desired outcome. Pretty cool, huh? In a nutshell, by cleverly employing cross-apply in the SQL query, we managed to transform the smart meter table into the required format without the data skewing issue. Voila! It's always fascinating to discover new ways to tackle problems in SQL, don't you think? Well, I hope this solution sheds some light on your query conundrum. Remember, in the world of databases, there's always a workaround waiting to be uncovered. Cheers, and may your queries always be optimized like a well-indexed database.